setup for Sandponics. This is simply a bathtub. I use a T. So the T because return is coming back to bathtub. So with the T, so I can always draw water from the bottom. So basically, the more water pushes water out from the top. I'm just using the existing hole, right? And then just push it out, and then coming to the this is called sub tank. So the pump is inside the sub tank, so it won't bother with the fish, right? So this way, the water pumps from here to the top, to the top. So yeah, this is better. And this way, the bathtubs always have high level of water, so this way the fish will be happy. But I haven't had any fish. I'm just running the system to test it, to see how the drainage system. This is only one grow bed. This is feeding up there. It's one grow bed. See here, one grow bed. The drain in the sand. The drainage in the sand is pretty fast, so I'm pretty happy with it. Other things, this one, and there's another two over there. The same thing, same idea. Sub tank, the pump in the sub tank, and then nothing in the fish tank. But still, the drainage of the bathtub water, a flow of water is from the bottom of the key. Okay, the bottom of this key pipe. So the fish pool can actually come to the sub tank, and then immediately, I place the pump right underneath the entrance, so immediately will be pumped out, to the top, ending up at the surface of the sand. Yeah, these are the group bed. That's the earliest one. Got some sweet potatoes, some maybe tomato. Yeah. This is some other things. You can see this one got the fruit. Yeah. So anyway, this is actually eggplant given by a friend. And then this got just throwing bunch of stuff, right? That's a potato. This is 2 tomatoes and some onion. This is also again grape and tomato. Yeah. So showing the the water I distributed, so each gets enough water, right? Roughly, right? Over there, and this is another one over here. This is single bed, so as you can see, it's the water pump, only to this bed, so not distributed, so it's got lots of water, it's but anyway, so that's grape and more tomato plant, and this is another thing. This is same thing, one grow bed, so that means lots of water, just one pump supplying, right? This is a special fruit tree, I forgot the name, but anyway, this is it. You can see one level growing is not enough, right? That's why we have this wide open space here. So I plan I could do this level like a hanging grow bed, right? And then this one I can also hang or build some kind of support, right? Just grow something right over the fish tank, right? So basically I can have 1, 2, 3 levels, right? 3 levels for growing. Yeah. Same thing over here. Yeah. So that's not too bad. And I especially when everything is growing, in a controlled environment, the right kind of humidity, temperature, and and lighting, and that way it just provides the environment, everything grows faster, better. That's the idea. Okay. So yeah. Okay, good. Yeah, just show you the real thing happening here. So I couldn't do anything more because I like to wait until I get the cover, and then once I get the cover, then I can just finish the rest. Yeah.